You to try. I leave these two for you to try. This one is a 1 by 3 matrix. You are multiplying by a 3 by 1 matrix. This one is the 1 by 2 matrix. You are multiplying it by a 2 by 1 matrix. Remember, directed numbers, it is of great importance in multiplication. We should also note that multiplying a 3 by 3 matrix by a 3 by 1 matrix will result in a 3 by 1 matrix, because the first matrix has 3 rows, so the answer should have 3 rows, and the second matrix has 1 column, so the answer will be having 1 column, as we said. Now let's see how we do the multiplication. We are saying this 3 by 1 matrix, we give it as an example. We are saying the first row should multiply the first column, which means the elements of the first row should multiply corresponding elements of the first column to give the answer in the first row, first column. That's 2 will multiply 2, 3 will multiply 1, 1 will multiply 3. That's what we presented here. 2 by 2 plus 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. The same applies. This happens with the second row by first column, third row by first column. When we say a row by a column, first element of the row will multiply the first element of the column, second element of the row will multiply the second element of the column, third element of the row will multiply the third element of the column. Then we add to find a single result that will be at a corresponding position. So we are saying the multiplications there will mean we add 2 plus 2 to get 4, here to get 3, here to get 3. So we are saying 4 plus 3 plus 3, which is 10. So we are having 10 there. And this will become 8 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 13. 6 plus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 10. That's the result. We've multiplied a 3 by 3 matrix by a 3 by 1 matrix, which gave us a 3 by 1 resulting matrix. Right, these are notes to remember in your multiplication. Important points to consider. We are saying number 1, the first matrix has 3 rows. Hence the answer must have 3 rows. 2, the second matrix has 1 column. Hence the answer 1 column 2. Right? 3, multiplying the first row by the first row by the only column gives the answer in the first row in that only column, which is equal to 10 there. Multiplying the second row by the second column, multiplying the second row by the only column, gives the answer in the second row, and multiplying the third row by the column gives the answer in the third row in the column, in the only column. Right, this is all about multiplication of matrices. Now, I want you to visit your book 3. It must be page, isn't it 59? Right, get your homework from exercise 7b. So exercise 7b, I want you to do number 1C, 1F. Then we go on to exercise, alright, and we go on to number 2, the whole of number 2. Then we go on to exercise, exercise 7E. Exercise 7E, do number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, do all those numbers. Then make sure you submit your homework before we go on to the revision. And tomorrow we will be working on identity matrix, determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, inverse, identity, and singular matrices. That's what we'll be doing tomorrow.